XLO stock analysis and XLO stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade, because I'm the only guy in this space that has done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything. All documented on my YouTube channel. 5 years it has taken me, and tens of thousands of dollars. Beforehand, if there was a confirmation, I was looking to buy. The confirmation that I was practically waiting for is like a double shift like this. We can argue we got the first shift, but the second one was never here, really. So what I'm going to do is I'll zoom out, get rid of this. So this, now it's pumping, and I'm in love. When stuff like this pumps, I'm just looking to double pump, right? So I'm looking to double down and buy more. So how this is going to look like is if I do see it actually pulling down and shows me some sort of confirmation, then and only then I'm going to look to buy. Everything else is about to be noise out of the net. So yes, I will continue to keep you updated. And yes, if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month with our indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. It's free.